episode of Alex's Wonders, and in this episode of Alex's Wonders, we'll be wondering what is inside the Green Glow Festival here at the Wild Rivers Water Park in Irvine, California. So here we are at the Wild Rivers Water Park. Let me go ahead and spin the camera around. Here's the main entrance. This has been running through at the end of 2025, and this is one of the last days here in January of 2026. So let's go ahead and see what the Wild Rivers Dream Festival has to offer here. So we've just checked in, and here is the map of the Dream Glow Festival. As you can see, we'll be entering through here and checking in all these light displays. And yeah, so let's go ahead and begin our wander. And here's what it looks like. At least the rain has calmed down. There's a beautiful Christmas tree display. And this is a great photo opportunity. Wild Rivers is a water park here in Irvine, California. I think it's seasonal. This is a new water park, I believe. Here you can see all the water slides. Here you have a great photo opportunity. Even though it's past Merry Christmas, you can still take a picture if you want. Here's the same Christmas tree again. And yeah. So hopefully I don't get this not DGI, this extra news wet, since I don't believe it's waterproof. At least the rain has stopped for a while, so let's go ahead and see what we can wander ourselves into. Here you have the Class 3 laser performance. Hopefully this doesn't get exposed to the lasers. I'm looking at on the screen through the camera, and I really like the high quality night footage here on the Extra News. Here you have the dragons. You have a knight.
We already skipped it. Let's go.
And this is my favorite part here, which is this laser light show. Here you can see the water slide.
You was with Avery in the bathroom. That's good. That's all right. That's great. Like him running around here.
Here's what it looks like on the back. And here you can see some light decorations at this. I believe this is a lazy river that wraps around. It's a pretty unique reuse of the park during this holiday time.
Coming out of the dinosaur egg. Dragon.
So here you can see the lasers at the end, and here you can see this fog machine that generates this cool hologram like feature. Let's go ahead and see that one more last time. And yeah, so let's go ahead and check out. Let's go ahead and check out Under the Sea World. Here's the lazy river. And here's a great photo opportunity. Really like how this camera enhances the lighting, the colors. It's more vibrant than what I'm seeing in person. So here's Under the Sea World. This reminds me of the LA Zoo Lights, Animals Aglow. Let's go ahead and check this area out. Here you have a mermaid. Pretty cool. Here you have some jellyfish and some bubbles that are flowing out. And I believe this is the first year that Dream Glow Festival is here at Wild Rivers. So hope you enjoy this inaugural reel. And the rain is picking back up again. I'm gonna go under the umbrella for you. Or the camera, that is. Here you have these beautiful photo opportunities. Great place to take your kids. And you have this whale. And I believe this, you can see the slides in the background. And it's like a water feature, water park. Water feature here. Water attraction. Here you can see the whale. Let's go ahead and get back on trail. And here you have this pathway. Here's the lazy river. And here's the slide. Makes me want to go down that slide, to be honest with you. And here's the rest of the water park. And we got these starfish, jellyfishes. Here's the whale from above. And you can see that tube that runs through into the pool. Let's go ahead and continue our wander. Yeah. So let's go ahead and continue our wander. And get a picture of that pearl. And like I said, as we walk back, I really like how this camera, the X-Ray Muse, also known as the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, brighten up the lights in night mode. Here is the huge tall water slide. Here you have this dragon that is at the end of the slide. Here you have this green dragon. Pretty cool. I like the lighting here. Off a 30% coupon code. I think it was last 30 since it's at the end of the show. Here is the entrance to one of the lazy rivers. Let's go ahead and continue our wander. So here's more of the lights. And you can also grab yourself a drink here. So where is Wild Rivers Water Park? So it is in Irvine, California, close to the Irvine Spectrum. If you're coming from Los Angeles, you would exit Sand Canyon first before you'd meet the Irvine Spectrum. So just for a thought. So here's the Infinity Room, Endless Sea. Unfortunately, I believe that this is closed. And here's one of the bigger pools here at this water park. Let me not point this at the laser and destroy this camera. But here's an octopus with the laser lights. Here you have tentacles. Pretty cool to walk through. This is a great place to take your kids. And here's more. And here's an interactive feature. Here you have this swing set, which you can go on and make the butterfly fly. Pretty cool. Here you have the polar bears. I really like the stability of this camera. And you can see no shakage during nighttime. And usually if I am filming this on an iPhone or an Insta360 cam, you'd notice like there's lots of not shakage, but the correction that the hardware makes to stabilize the footage is keeping up the task. And here's the huge water park. Huge water attractions here, all the slides. If you're a local like myself, that you could remember how Wild Rivers was once at the amphitheater off the 405 freeway. You exit Irvine Spectrum Drive. This is inside the Orange County Great Park. And yeah, so here's one last attraction before we end it. So comparing this to, just notice that it's not raining anymore. Comparing this to LA Zoo lights. I really like the LA Zoo lights because it's more bigger, there's more things to see. Well, this is at a smaller scale. At least you have this cool laser light show that is something that I've never seen at any of these festive lights. And here's the dragon, the main feature of this festival, the Green Globe Festival. Pretty cool. You can see how the eggs can hatch. That's a huge water slide, water drop. It's more of a water ride than a water slide. Wonder what this is here at night, in the daytime that is. During the summertime, here we like how the moon is popping out in the break in the rain, which means I can put away my camera away, my umbrella that is. And yeah.
When Kaylee tried out for the team at the basketball, it's a little easier.
Hopefully the lasers really didn't mess up the camera. Probably not a good idea to risk this brand new camera being exposed to these laser lights that can mess up the video quality. Not the video quality, but the camera itself. Reminds me of Spyro. And here it is one last time. And this is a good hologram that you can see right there. Gives off a hologram effect with the mist and the lights. When I was walking here earlier, when it was raining, it really gave off more of an effect. But here's what I was talking about, this holographic cloud that we're looking at right now. Pretty cool. And yeah, so what an amazing wonder here. Let's go ahead and spin the camera back in front. And as you can see, the theme of this Green Glow Festival is dragons. And yeah, so that is the Green Glow Festival here at the Wild Rivers Water Park here in Irvine, California. If you like this wonder, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this show. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Wonders, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.